What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Don here. Fix the phone real quick so it's not out of angle. Just wanted to make a quick video, show you guys a little special hen here that I will be adding to my breeding program. She was born this year. She's a 2025 bird. You see, that's the band number. This right here is an Ingalls pigeon, 100%. I bred this off a bird that was gifted to me by Michael Sherwood. A really nice cock bird. Look at this bird, guys. It's a slate white flight. This is a hen. She's molting a little bit. Very light in the hand. I love this pigeon. Look at the wings on this bird. Very nice. Strong back. This will be important to my breeding program. It's a very nice little hen. This is an Ingalls, 100%. Very nice pigeon. Give me a second, I'll show you guys the father to this bird. To go get him. This is the father to that bird. This is a very special cock bird. Look at this guy. This bird was a gift to me from Michael Sherwood. I very much appreciated the wing on him. Michael Sherwood, he's one of the top guys in the club. One of the best pigeon flyers that I know and I've seen. This is a very old guy right here. He's an old pigeon. I cut his tail for breeding purposes. This is his band number. He's a 2013 808. Very special pigeon here. I'm very grateful to Michael Sherwood for gifting me this bird here. His offspring will be my breeding program for a very long time. This is a very nice bird, guys. He's an old guy. He might be done for fertiling. His last round of eggs weren't fertile, but so I just put him back in we got a beat. Back in the loft, but we'll try him again next year. But he's molting real bad. It's molting season. All the birds are molting. But this is a super pigeon. This is 100% Ingalls from Michael Sherwood. Super cock bird here. This guy's amazing. Grateful to have this bird here in my loft. Can't wait to see what he does for me here. Like, this bird's amazing, guys. It's an old guy, but super pigeon here. Look at the eye on this guy. Very nice pearl. It's like a dark pearl. Nice wattles on him. Hopefully he could breed at least one more round for me next year. And I'll be happy. Well, I'm already happy with what I got for him so far, so. So guys, Ingalls. It's an old strain of pigeon. They could go from 1 to the 6. No problem. Beautiful pigeon here. Well, that's it, guys, for the video. Y'all have a blessed one.